Acer Picasso M service training film. Welcome to the Acer Picasso M service training video. This video, together with the service guide provided in this training package, will give you an overview of the product. We'll highlight the product features and guide you through the disassembly and the reassembly procedures of the unit. The tools needed are as follows: 1 mm thickness gauge, Phillips screwdriver, tweezers. Please note that before service disassembly, you should take off watches and jewelry, such as rings and necklaces. Wear an ESD, electrostatic discharge, wristband to avoid electrostatic discharge. Turn off all power sources. Remove the power adapter from the system. Main unit disassembly. Insert 1 mm thickness gauge in gap between side cap L and cover slot. And detach the cap L as shown. Turn main unit to other side. Open SIM card door. And detach the side cap R1 with tweezers and fingers as shown. Use the same way to detach the side cap R2. Remove 4 screws from main unit. Detach the cover assembly and use fingers to keep the gap open. Repeat the step to unlock all locking latches around pad cover assembly. Place main unit on flat surface. Disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard connector. Lift the tape that covers the docking FPC. Disconnect the docking FPC from the main board. Remove 2 screws from the docking board. Remove the docking board from the cover. Remove the microphone from the cover. Disconnect the microphone cable from the docking board connector. And detach the microphone. Remove the FPC from the docking board. Disconnect the camera FPC from the main board. Disconnect the microphone cable from the main board. Disconnect the Wi-Fi cable, black wire, from the main board. Disconnect the GPS cable, green wire, from the main board. Remove the speaker cable connector from the main board. Release the mylar tape. And remove the LVDS connector from the main board. Remove the camera with tweezers from the main unit. Release the conductive tape on the right speaker. Release the tape on the speaker cable. Remove 2 screws from the right speaker. Detach the right speaker from the main unit. Lift the speaker cable as shown. Remove 2 screws from the function board. Detach the function board from the main unit. Lift the GPS cable from the gap as shown. Remove 2 screws from the battery. Remove the battery from main unit. Disconnect the FFC from the touch board. Detach the touch board from the main unit. Remove the adhesive tape covering the LVDS cable. Disconnect and remove the LVDS cable from the main unit. Remove 5 screws from the main board. Remove the main board and function board from the main unit. Turn the main board and remove the FPC from the main board. Release the adhesive and remove the FPC from the main board. Release the adhesive and remove the FPC from the function board. Release the conductive tape on the left speaker. Remove 2 screws from the left speaker. Detach the speakers from the main unit. Remove the microphone from the main unit. Release the GPS with tweezers Then release the foil and remove the GPS from the main unit. Release the Wi-Fi with tweezers. Then release the foil and remove the Wi-Fi from the main unit. This completes the Acer Picasso M disassembly procedure.